When Yahweh threw Mithraim into the Red Sea, the children of Yisrael went on to a place called Marah, and they came to Elim, where were 12 springs of water and 70 palm trees, and they encamped there by the waters. Shemot, Exodus chapter 16. And they took their journey from Elim, and all the congregation of the children of Yisrael came to the wilderness of Sin, which is between Elim and Sinai, on the 15th day of the 2nd month after their departing out of the land of Mithraim. And the whole congregation of the children of Yisrael murmured against Moshe and against Aaron in the wilderness. And the children of Yisrael said to them, Would that we had died by the hand of Yahweh in the land of Mithraim, when we sat by the flesh pots, when we did eat bread to the full. For ye have brought us forth into this wilderness to kill this whole assembly with hunger. Then said Yahweh to Moshe, Behold, I will rain bread from the skies for you, and the people shall go out and gather a day's portion every day, that I may prove them, whether they will walk in my law or not. And it shall be on the 6th day that they shall prepare that which they bring in, and it shall be twice as much as they gather daily. And Moshe and Aaron said to all the children of Yisrael, At even, then ye shall know that Yahweh hath brought you out from the land of Mithraim. And in the morning, then ye shall see the glory of Yahweh, for that he heareth your murmurings against Yahweh. And what are we that ye murmur against us? And Moshe said, This shall be when Yahweh shall give you in the evening flesh to eat, and in the morning bread to the full. For that Yahweh heareth your murmurings, which ye murmur against him. And what are we? Your murmurings are not against us, but against Yahweh. And Moshe said to Aaron, Say to all the congregation of the children of Yisrael, Come near before Yahweh, for he hath heard your murmurings. And it was, as Aaron spoke to the whole congregation of the children of Yisrael, that they looked toward the wilderness, and behold, the glory of Yahweh appeared in the cloud. And Yahweh spoke to Moshe, saying, I have heard the murmurings of the children of Yisrael. Speak to them, saying, At even ye shall eat flesh, and in the morning ye shall be filled with bread, and ye shall know that I am Yahweh your God. And it was at even that the quails came up and covered the camp, and in the morning the dew lay round about the camp. And when the dew that lay was gone up, behold, upon the face of the wilderness a small round thing, small as the covering frost on the ground. And when the children of Yisrael saw it, they said one to another, What is it? For they knew not what it was. And Moshe said to them, It is the bread which Yahweh hath given you to eat. This is the thing which Yahweh hath commanded. Gather ye of it every man according to his eating, a romer a head, according to the number of your souls shall ye take it, every man for them that are in his tent. And the children of Israel did so, and gathered some more, some less. And when they measured it with a romer, he that gathered much had nothing over, and he that gathered little had no lack. They gathered every man according to his eating. And Moshe said to them, Let no man leave of it till the morning. Notwithstanding they hearkened not to Moshe, but some of them left of it until the morning, and it bred worms, and became foul. And Moshe was wroth with them. And they gathered it morning by morning, every man according to his eating. And when the sun became hot, it melted. And it was that on the 6th day they gathered twice as much bread, 2 romers for each one. And all the rulers of the congregation came and told Moshe. And he said to them, This is that which Yahweh hath spoken. Tomorrow is a Shabbaton, a holy Shabbat to Yahweh. Bake that which ye will bake, and boil that which ye will boil, and all that remaineth over lay up for you to be kept until the morning. And they laid it up till the morning, as Moshe bade, and it did not become foul, neither was there any worm therein. And Moshe said, Eat that today, for today is a Shabbat to Yahweh. Today ye shall not find it in the field. 6 days ye shall gather it, but on the 7th day is the Shabbat. In it there shall be none. And it was on the 7th day that there went out some of the people to gather, and they found none. And Yahweh said to Moshe, How long refuse ye to keep my commands and my laws? See, for that Yahweh hath given you the Shabbat, therefore he giveth you on the 6th day the bread of 2 days. Abide ye every man in his place. Let no man go out of his place on the 7th day. So the people rested on the 7th day. And the house of Israel called the name thereof Manna, and it was like coriander seed, white, and the taste of it was like wafers made with honey. And Moshe said, This is the thing which Yahweh hath commanded. Let a romer full of it be kept throughout your generations, that they see the bread wherewith I fed you in the wilderness, when I brought you forth from the land of Mithraim. And Moshe said to Aaron, Take a pot, and put a romer full of manna therein, and lay it up before Yahweh, to be kept throughout your generations. As Yahweh commanded Moshe, so Aaron laid it up before the testimony to be kept. And the children of Israel did eat the manna 40 years, until they came to a land inhabited. They did eat the manna until they came to the borders of the land of Canaan. Now a romer is the 10th part of a ephah. And all the congregation of the children of Israel journeyed from the wilderness of Sin by their journeys, according to the command of Yahweh, and encamped in Rephidim, and there was no water for the people to drink.